Hello there. I welcome to Africa Read Thesis Hub. Here you can publish your thesis from your undergraduate studies or masters or any level of education. You can make it available for others to find your work. We have various categories on here that you can publish your thesis under. You can go through them to find the one that best fits your department or your category of thesis. Alright, so when you come to the front page, the first thing you see are these links: submit thesis, my account, log into account, etc. First, let's go to submit thesis and see the processes involved. Alright. So on the submit thesis page, we have instructions on how you can submit your first thesis successfully. And so with the first option, we said that you click on the publish thesis button down there and then you create account. So without wasting time, let's get into it and see what it entails. So we click on publish thesis down here, we click on it. Alright, and then it sends us to this page. So this is a simple form that you can fill with your details and create account to start your submission. So I'm going to fill my email, password, and then the rest. They are self-explanatory. So I'll speed the video up, and then I'll fill the form. Alright, so you go ahead and then you click on register. Now you receive a notification that you have successfully registered. So the next thing you need to do is to log into your account. So let's click on it. Alright, so here you fill in the login form with your details that you just created. So your email address, and then you fill in your password, and the next thing, you enter the security code shown to your right. You just enter the exact thing you see, and when you are done, you click on login. Alright, congratulations. So just like that, you have created your account, and now you are ready to submit your first thesis. Alright, so you see, you can go to my profile, you can log out, you can click on new thesis at the top there, and then right here, right now, there is nothing here because we haven't submitted any thesis yet. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on new thesis. Alright, so here on the submit dashboard, that's what we're going to do. First you fill in your title, and then the next one you put in your abstract, only the abstract of your thesis. Alright, just the abstract, and then the file attachment area, you use it to attach the full thesis or the full file of your thesis. Okay, and then on the right side you have the categories of your thesis or your project that it falls under. So let's go ahead and then make submission. Alright, so you fill in the title at the top here. You fill in the title of your thesis, and then in this box you make sure you have your abstract ready in a separate file, or if it's in the same document you are using, just copy it. So I copy my abstract, only the abstract, and then so you copy it as I just as I've done, and then I come back to my submission screen and I paste it inside this text area. So this text area again is only for your abstract. Alright, only your abstract. Okay, so I make the abstract as a heading. Of course, you can ignore this one. And then when you are done, you scroll down to the bottom, and then you see the attachment area. Here you can attach the files or your full project in the supported format. The format are listed on the page. So I will navigate to where my thesis is. It's a PDF. I click on it and then I upload. Alright, yes, so you attach all the necessary files that you need to attach, and then when you are done, you take our terms and conditions box, and you come to the category area. So here you select the thesis type, which is undergraduate. Alright, and then the thesis category, you select or you choose a fitting category for the topic of your thesis. Okay, so after selecting the category, now you fill in the author information. Alright, so if you are more than one contributing to the same thesis, you can attach all of them inside. So the first one, author name, the author email, and then your institution or your school or your college. You enter the name of your institution right there. Alright, so if you are more than one contributor or one author, you click on the plus button at the top, and you see that it will create another set of forms, and you can attach multiple. If you are more than 2 or 3, 4, you can put them all right there. You can fill the form by clicking on the plus. If you need to remove, just click on the minus, and then it will delete the others. So alright, when you are done with everything right here, your file is attached, your abstract is intact, your authors, your categories, and everything. You have ticked our terms and conditions box, and then you are done. Now you are ready to submit for review. So you click on the submit at the top here. And just like that, you have successfully submitted your thesis for review. So you see the statistics over here on the dashboard. Now our team will review your thesis. If it meets our standards, which are listed on the submit thesis page, it will be approved, and then it will be live. Alright, after you make your payment. Okay, so if it meets the if it meets our requirement, we'll contact you, and then to make the payment, and then we'll approve it on our platform. Now you can submit as many as you have, and provided they are all your intellectual property. Alright, okay, so that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Use any of our contact forms, our email, our phone, or you go to the contact us page and then fill the form. All right. Thank you for your time. I'll see you. Bye.